then has na. Okay, now use the formula ISERROR. Select the value, close the parenthesis, enter it again. ISERROR, select the value, close the parenthesis, press the enter. As you can see, when there's a 3 in the cell, then got result false. When we got the error, then got true. Now we will use drag and drop. As you can see, we got the error for these values, so getting the true for the all rows. Okay, so basically this function tests a cell or calculate to determine whether the error has been generated. So it will show true for any type of error and false if no error is found. So there is no error, so we got the result false. In this cell we got the error, so the result is true. So that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.